Students, we will discuss about nutrition in animals. In previous video, we have discussed about nutrition. So what is nutrition? The process of taking food and utilize it by the organism is called nutrition. Here we will discuss about nutrition in animals. Animals take solid or liquid food as we are taking also. So they are categorized into herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. This this hello this mode of nutrition is called holozoic nutrition. Here, the animals consume the entire food. This is called holozoic. Holo means whole or engulf. So, holozoic nutrition involves 5 steps, 5 process. First one is ingestion. Ingestion, the process of taking food into the body. Yeah, taking food through mouth into the body is called ingestion. Second is digestion. We cannot take food into complex food directly into the body, so it is necessary to take the simple food. So the process of breakdown of complex component of food into simpler substance is called digestion. Now third is absorption. Absorption, the process by which simple molecules of digested food are absorbed through intestinal wall and transported to the blood. It is absorbed into the intestine wall and it is transported to the blood. This process is called absorption. Next is assimilation. So assimilation, the utilization of absorbed food by the body cells. When the body cell is the food, this is absorbed by the body and it is utilized by the body cells and release energy. So this process is known as assimilation. Suppose we are taking the food in the form of glucose. Glucose is a food. In the presence of oxygen is back down into the carbon dioxide, water, and energy is released. So that is called assimilation. And next is egestion. Egestion means the process of removal of undigested solid part of the food from the body. So the process of removal of waste material from the body is called ingestion. So these 5 steps are the showing the holozoic nutrition. Like human beings, holozoic nutrition take place in monkey, rabbit, dog, amoeba. So here we will discuss about the nutrition in amoeba. Here, amoeba is a single cellular organism. It has a single cell, or it has no mouth or anus. Because it has no mouth and anus, that's why it is taking food from anywhere, any part of the body. Anywhere means from the it have a irregular body shape. From there, it take food from the pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is a finger-like projection in the body of the amoeba. Now, as the mean of pseudopodia, they are finger-like projection from the body of amoeba that help in locomotion in movement, and food capturing. Pseudo mean false, podia mean feet. The pseudopodia are also known as false feet. Here, they are pseudopodia. Their food is taken by their ingested here. So the pseudopodia, they are encircle the food and then it is moving inside the body of the amoeba. And amoeba pseudopodia ingesting food. Here, the food is going into the food vacuoles, and with the in the presence of enzyme, food is digested here, and here it is assimilated and absorbed by the body of the amoeba. So these all are the 5 steps which we have seen in the nutrition in animals. These are of same in nutrition in amoeba. So there are some similarity in the nutrition of amoeba and some dissimilarities in the nutrition in amoeba. Here now we will discuss about the nutrition in human. When there is nutrition in human, so there it is a nutrition in human. So first is a buccal cavity, in which we will discuss about the mouth, tongue, and teeth. So here we are discussing about the teeth. So firstly, teeth are of 2 types. These are of milk teeth and permanent teeth. In human beings, teeth appear into 2 sets. The first set teeth appear at the age of 6 months onward. These are known as milk teeth, and they are 20 in number. Do not have molar teeth, and then milk teeth are replaced by the permanent teeth. These are in the between of 6 to 8 years, and these permanent teeth, they persist throughout the life and fall during old age. So there are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. 4 types of teeth in our mouth. First one is, in adult there are 32 teeth. Incisor, as I am showing you this picture here, there are 4 incisors. 2 incisors in upper jaw and 2 incisors in lower jaw. These incisors, these are 4 in numbers. Incisors are used for biting and cutting the food. Second, canines. Here, canines are 2 in number, 1 upper jaw, 1 in lower jaw. These are present on either side of the incisor. Incisor के पास में होते हैं. These are used for tearing the food. These kind of food are found in carnivores. And third is, here I have told you canines. These are 2 in numbers, present on either side of the incisor. Each are used for tearing the food. Then premolars. Here, premolars are 4 in number. These are 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. These premolars, these are 4 in number. These are used for grinding the food into small particles. Now, molars, they are 6 in number, 3 in upper jaw, 3 in lower jaw. So these molars and premolars have the same function. Molars are 6 in number. Molars and premolars are called grinding teeth. So they both are having the same function. Now, what are the dental formula? As there are the dental formula, I am telling about the dental formula because there are 4 incisors. 2 are in upper jaw and 2 are in lower jaw. So 2 upper jaw, these are of upper jaw, these are of lower jaw. 2 incisor. Then canine, 1 in upper jaw, 1 in lower jaw. Then premolar, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. PM in premolar, 3 molar, 6. These upside are showing the upper jaw and these are the lower jaw. These in the formula we are multiplying it by the 2. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It multiplied by 2, 16. So adult have a 32 number of teeth in their mouth. Now we will discuss about the tongue. Now tongue is a hair tongue. A fleshy muscular tongue is attached to the floor of the buccal cavity. Tongue has taste bud. These are the taste bud: sweet, salt, sour, bitter, from which we can know the taste of the food. Here, what are the functions of tongue? Tongue tastes the food. It makes saliva with the food during chewing. It pushes the food towards the teeth for chewing. It helps in swallowing the food. It helps in speaking. Thank you.